This is the chart of Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures, 1 day time frame. Let's go ahead and see what's happening in the market right now. So this particular trend line that we see here, this one, it's a long-standing downward trend line which eventually has broken now. If you see it here, it broke out. It attempted to break once here, somewhere around 9th of December, I think on yeah, on 13th of December it tried to break out, but then it failed and it came down. uh, Good thing is it did not make a new low. This was a higher low and then it finally broke out here on, I would say, 23rd Jan it actually broke out. So now what do we do now that the long time downward trend line is already broken? We can plan a positional buy in this. And how do we plan that? So what we do is we look for any sort of breakout again. So let's say if this is, it's coming down in this form, you know, so we'll have to wait for it to make another up move attempt, probably, like this, and then eventually if it comes down like this. So if this is the kind of price action it makes, then it's going to form some sort of trend line. Or it can also, try to trap some of the retailers, and then what it can do is it can probably show some sort of up move till here, and then it starts to come down, takes the stop losses which people will place here, and then again it will try to come up, come down. So all in all, the whole point what I'm trying to make here is when it does that, we'll just have to wait and watch how it traps the retail traders and takes away their stop losses. And when it has done that a couple of times, there's going to be a trend line which will be formed, and we'll just have to wait for the trend line to break out with a positive closing, and then we can enter a positional trade. If it eventually comes down to this trend line, this trend line, which I made with the help of these points, and then if it shows some sort of, support from the trend line, that is also where we can enter, and our stop losses will be below the lows, previous lows. We'll just wait, uh, and we can have a positional entry here. So that was Nasdaq 100 E-mini futures. People in India can make this investment through MON 100. It's a ETF fund. I'm not promoting it. I'm not paid to promote it. I'm just sharing this information. And this is also not an investment advice. I'm not a SEBI registered financial advisor. So this is just for educational purposes and my observations. So please consult your financial advisor before you make any investment or you take any risks in the market. Thank you.